Welcome back to Spiritual Meanings. Here we explore hidden messages and symbols in everyday life. NWE are on a mission to reach 3,000 seekers. Have you ever felt the universe speaking directly to you? Maybe through repeating numbers or an animal in a strange place. Even a dream that lingers can be a message.
It was a time when the sky spoke to those who listened.
And the moon shared secrets with the earth.
The spirits of the forest are restless tonight.
They whisper secrets to those who listen.
And in the silence of the night, the stars themselves would whisper secrets to those who listened.
The spirits of our ancestors dance in the flames, their whispers carried on the night wind.
In ancient folklore, life was a dialogue with the divine. NTHE, wind carried messages. NTHE, firelight whispered wisdom. And even the call of a bird was sacred. Numbers have always been powerful, and Pythagoreans saw them as the building blocks of reality. And Celtic traditions linked them to sacred cycle. In Celtic lore, 3 meant birth, death, and rebirth. And today, 1111 and 222 are seen as signs from guides. Think of the last time you saw 333 on a clock. NTHAT, pause, you felt was not random. It is the same energy our ancestors felt when counting stars. Folklore gave us animal teachers. Nanansi the spider spun webs of wisdom in Ghana. And among the Lakota, the spider was a grandmother of patience. Even today, when a spider appears in the home, we wonder what it means. And fear and fascination blend in their presence. Birds have long been seen as messengers. A raven brought secrets to Odin. A dove symbolized peace and spirit. And even now, a bird at your window feels like a sign. It is not only animals or numbers. A broken mirror once meant imbalance. A ringing bell could drive away evil. A coin found was a blessing of prosperity. Carl Jung called these signs synchronicity, meaningful coincidences that feel arranged by the universe. Dreams were never just imagination. Native traditions used them as guidance, and Egyptians saw them as messages from gods. Old beliefs never vanished, and they transformed. What was told around the fire is now shared online. The question is not if signs are real. NTHE question is why they matter. They bring comfort. They give order to mystery. They remind us to pause and pay attention. No one person holds all truth. Wisdom is scattered across humanity like seeds. Your reflections add threads to the great web of meaning. Think of your own life. What numbers keep appearing? What animals cross your path? What objects catch your eye? These are conversations with the universe. Science says we notice patterns, and our hearts give them meaning. This is where folklore meets modern life. Next time you see 1111, nor hear a crow outside, nor notice a feather drifting down, pause and ask what life is saying to you. Thank you for joining this journey through signs and symbols. NIF, the universe, has spoken to you through numbers, animals, or dreams. Share your story in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. NWE are on a mission to 3,000 seekers. Until next time, may you walk in awareness and wisdom.